Hi, this is Google Apps example, right? So usually, when you type in this number, right? Let's say you type in uh, your name and there's an email, and these are just Google Form, right? And we click on this yes, and well, that's all you get. But what uh, we do is here is that notice that it sent out a email right here. So that's Canada and so on, right? So now let's submit another one, right? So another one, right? It can be any other email. So I'll just send it again, right? So I click submit. Now remember, I'm submitting to submit, right? And let's take a look at here. Look at that. Look at that. So what this essentially is called the Google Auto Form. Thank you.